Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can comment on other person's photos on Facebook dating. Maybe you want to interact with others by commenting on their photos, but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can comment on their photos on Facebook dating. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account. And then in here, simply tap on this heart button to go to your Facebook ping. And then once you are in here, simply tap on the photo you want to comment. And again, simply tap again the photos. And then in here, you can say something about the photo. Let's say something about cute. And then in here, simply tap on the send button to comment on this photo. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can comment on someone else's photo on your Facebook dating, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can comment on other photos on Facebook dating, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.